Hi guys, I'm Marian Ga, a Filipina living here in Japan. Let's go to Tokinokane, or Wooden Time Bell Tower. It is famous in Kawagoe City, Saitama, Japan. And this place has a traditional town where many old stores, houses can be found. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. So what are you waiting for? Join me and let's go!
I like this yung kumakain.
Today is April 1st, 2024, and we had a chance to go to Saitama because today is Takumi's college entrance ceremony and Reina's birthday celebration as well. I really wanted to visit this place, Tokinokane, for its famous as Small Kyoto in Kawagoe City, Saitama.
Parking pag malaki ang sasakyan.
We found a fine restaurant that serves Wagyu A5. The meat is so soft and juicy, and the other half is grilled eel. So yummy!
Wagyu, guys! 3,200 yen.
See the color of the cow? It's color gold. Kaya pala medyo presyong ginto din. Tikman na natin yung gintong beef na yan!
Oshiburi hot towel. Tapos yung drinks na ocha.
See kung ano ang lasa. Medyo pricey siya, pero ang dami. Half niya is Wagyu number 5. Ibig sabihin, first class na ano siya, karne ng baka. Tapos yung half ng plate niya is unagi. Yung grilled eel ay maganda yun sa katawan kasi for stamina at masarap, syempre. So, let's try. And usually, pag pumasok ka sa Japanese restaurant, ang unang isa-serve sa'yo ay hatare. Tapos, hindi pa kami nag-aalmusal. Baka makain ka na to. I'm hungry. Wow! There you go! Oh my gosh! Wow naman! Parang ang liit ng plato. Natin ang laman ng kahon. Oh! And this is what is this? At ang bongga, may nag-explain pa ng aming food. Hi. はい、次にこちらのネギやわさび、こちらにある山椒や七味をおかけしてお召し上がりください。最後はこちらの取ったものとこちらのロディ、こちらのそぼろをお椀に移していただいて、後ほどこちらの急須の中に私の方をお持ちいたしますので。Ayan guys, lalagyan natin ng sanchu. 肉からな。Yung soup nila may bilo-bilo. Sarap na soup.
Yeah, delicious.
Kain ko na lang kayo guys.
Ito ba?
Ito ba?
Nakarelax.
でもすごいね、ここ。人ね。
Let's try the meat. Yung roast beef nila. Wagyu number 5.
Yeah.
Oh my! Hindi halatang gutom kami. Simut sarap! And there's another way to eat their food. The hitsumabushi or ochatsuke. Yummy! Tapos may maliit siyang bilog-bilog at nuri.
Parang pinipig.
Then after kumain, walking kunyari. Pero ang totoo niya, naghahanap kami ng aming dessert. Ang dami mo mapagpipilian dito.
Kawagoe Imo. Manju. Kawaii.
Thank you.
Naka-waiting sa pudding.
Super mag-enjoy ka dito guys kasi kaliwat kanan ang mga pamilihan. At ang technique guys, sa sobrang daming stores at gusto mo lahat tikman yung mga sweets, yung mga kanilang mga specialties here. Kaya isa lang ang bibilin mo, hati-hati na lang kayo para matikman mo lahat. Onion in red wine. These are onions marinated with different kind of flavors. Healthy food na, masarap pa.
Sidings. Ayan siya. Grabe, talagang nirarapping pa nila na parang pang-regalo.
One thing that I really admire to Japanese is that they prepare and pack the things that you bought properly.
Walang bayad ng plastic. Thank you!
Hasioki.
Ah, kawaii. Ito guys, ang bentahan ng mga chopsticks. Ayan, fair na yan, 1,650, mga ganyan. Tapos pwede mo siyang pa-engraven ng iyong name. Pwede mong engrave yung name mo dyan. Ito ang kanyang price. Diba? Bongacious, parang ballpen. Ayan. Nanti yun na, Sare?
Kawagoe shi Taiwaicho.
Minami.
Kyu Minami.
Alright guys, this is it! The famous Tokino Kane! Sorry guys, hindi ko na binasa, hindi ko dalang salamin ko. Search na lang kay Google.
Kamote. Yay! Got it! I saw. Kukuray namin. Nihon sake.
Grabe guys, ang sarap nitong soybean donut.
Sarap niya. I like this yung kumakain habang naglalakad. Wow, looks good. This is honey. Ang sarap niya, parang meron siyang pudding sa taas, tapos yung parang sweetened na crust. Ito ay kamote again.
Kamote pa more. Sabi nila nakakautot ng kamote. Ba't hindi naman amoy utot dito?
Kamote pa more. Dango. Wow, look at this. Nice. Wow, parang fishball lang. Pero ano siya, mochi, yung malagkit. Mochi. Harap! Guys, ang masarap dito sa lugar na to. You can eat while walking. Dami mga street foods, mag-e-enjoy ka. Tikman mo isa-isa, konti-konti lang muna. Para ma-enjoy mo lahat. Katulad nito. Ang dami na namin natitikman. Busog na ito.
Vanilla が入ってない。本当によ、ただごちゃ。
Nag-grind siya ng green tea powder.
Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video and please don't forget to press like and subscribe. And I'm always happy to read your comments. Grabe guys, mag-enjoy ka talaga, malilibang at magiging super busy ang mata mo. Katitingin kaliwa, kanan, kanan, kaliwa. Kasi ang dami mga stores at very interesting. It's really more on Japanese foods, Japanese sweets, mga gamit sa Japan, mga ganun, mga famous things sa Japan, mga chopsticks. Nice. Ka talaga may enjoy ka. If I were you guys, visit this place here in Saitama, Japan. Grabe guys, busog na tayo. Ang dami natin nakain. Yeah, it's good things here. So you eat a lot, different kind of foods, sweets, and anything. Mag-walk ka. The timing, naka-heels pa naman si Marian. Pointed heels pa. Natatagtag yung kinain. Kaya okay lang yun.
nangyari sa bus. Oh. Ano daw siya? Electric bus.
Look at Reyna, ayaw papigil. Nakapila na naman. I think this shop is really famous. Talagang pinipilahan siya.
Looks good, this one. Wow, looks good. Oh, it's really good. Pinapon. Hey, there's my ice cream. Ooh, oiso. Thank you. Itadakimasu. I got my ice cream.
Cheese soft cream.
Ang sarap. Parang, I need red wine here. Love it.
Now I know kung bakit siya pinipilahan. Ang sarap pala talaga niya. This is one of my recommendations.
Murati desu ka?
こちらありがとうございます。
これチュルなんですか？
こちらはきなこ豆です。お豆腐豆にきなこをまぶしてあります。ありがとうございます。
Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
Akara! Ni Osaki to Ao na. Was able to buy. It's delicious.
Super nag-enjoy kami. Thank you for watching. See ya! Matane! We're going back home. Until next time! God bless us all!